Introduction. In 2021, if you have a product that you want to launch on the internet, because that's where it's all happening today, this is the skeleton of the plan you need to build. When Jeff Bezos started Amazon, they were dealing only with books. Bezos and a small team were packaging and delivering books from a garage. It's a classic rags to riches story. Today, Amazon has surpassed Walmart to be the world's largest retailer. Today, the world is a lot smaller thanks to the internet. People and the market are a lot more receptive to new ideas. Otherwise, Facebook would have never happened as quickly as it did. Forget its many transgressions, and you will see that the company was able to take off because it understood the pulse of the people, pitched exactly what it needed to, and proceeded with excellent strategy. Whether it's the growth of technology or the pandemic speeding things up, more and more things are being accessed on the internet. E-commerce has become more accessible and is providing exciting business opportunities. And every industry is spawning individuals who want to be their own bosses, decide their own working hours, or just want to take advantage of this internet explosion. Some are smart and some are inspired. Whichever category you fall into, you will be competing with all of them. Because, make no mistake, they are all on the internet trying to get the guy on the street to buy their product. So how do you make yourself unique? How do you rise above the white noise? Now, it's one thing to know what you want to sell, but it's a whole other thing to know how to launch and market the product successfully. And then, of course, you certainly want to make money out of the endeavor, don't you? There's a lot to go through, and in the coming 9 chapters, we will go through the journey of sifting through all of your options and getting the job done from start to finish. We'll create a plan for the product launch. We'll go through how to do it. We'll go through each step in detail, and we'll discuss the tools you need to get your product to the finish line. The idea is to create a plan of action that will help you identify, locate, and utilize your resources in the best possible way as you keep planning the next steps of your online business. Part of that last step is going to be about marketing techniques that will help you source your product right to the point of running a store virtually and maybe physically if that's in the cards. Let's start by understanding the importance of a product launch.